Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. What we have here is an LG French door refrigerator. The complaint on this refrigerator was that it was not cooling. When I first got here, I opened up the freezer, the food inside of it was thawed. That shows me that the compressor at some time was not running. What I did notice that when I did arrive is that the compressor was running, but the evaporator fan wasn't. Seeing that the compressor had turned off for a period of time shows me that there was either a problem with the board or the starting components, typically on one of these units. Being that the compressor was running but the evaporator fan was not at that time, I turned it, found out that it was the actual main control board on the back. So today we're going to be replacing the main PCB board. The tools you will need for this repair is a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of needle nose pliers. The first thing you want to do is pull out your refrigerator, unplug the unit. Your control board is located on the back. You cannot have power going through this if you're going to try to remove it. You'll have 3 Phillips head screws holding on the plate that covers the main control. Now start to unplug your wiring harnesses from the unit. Each one of these have a plastic tab on the top. You have to press down and pull out. Try not to pull from the wiring so you don't cause any damage to that. Now sometimes it can be kind of tough to not do that. Once you remove all your harnesses, you will see there are plastic clips around the edges of these. Use your needle nose pliers, press in and pull out. Put your new one in place and line up the same clips that removed it and push back. Try to push on the corners, not as much pressure in the center of the board. Now you can go in and replace all the wiring connections you removed previously. They should all have separate sizes, so you shouldn't be able to mix these up. And previously, when I was diagnosing the unit, I came to the back and I unplugged the control board to search for burn marks, which it did not have. After I did that, I plugged the refrigerator and the control board back in, and the compressor and evaporator fan motor was working at the same time. So it showed me that there was some type of glitch within it. Also led to the diagnosis of the unit. Now that you have your wiring attached, put your back plate on. Start with 1 screw to hold the plate. Secure the other 2. Now, plug your unit back in. We'll listen for the compressor to start. Will take a couple of seconds, and sometimes the compressor does not start immediately depending on the type of head pressure it had. This one I can hear the compressor starting. You can also hear both fans, the fan for the condenser and the evaporator fan running. Have the customer monitor it, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.